Welcome back, Fitness Offer team. Today we're going to be doing a plyometrics with calisthenics workout. The plyometrics is going to be the warm-up, and then we're going to be moving on to a actual calisthenic workout. Today we will be doing legs, of course, for the plyometrics, and we're going to be doing chest and tri for arms. And that's going to be today's workout. Follow along. There are going to be two parts to make this video not 40 minutes long. So the first part in this video is going to be the plyometrics workout. And in the next video, we're going to be doing the actual calisthenics workout. So welcome to the plyometric workout. Here, let's begin. So to start off, we're going to be doing pogo hops. We're trying not to bend the knees as much. We're just forcing the feet to move up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You want to get enough strength in those ankles. You don't fall when you're old. We're going to be doing 40 seconds with 20-second rest. We're going to be doing a 10-minute warm-up. Keep you going. If you're getting tired or sore from this, you have many more workouts to go. Seconds. Great job. Now let's take a break. We're going to be moving on next to the squat jump. Here we're going to lower as much as we can and excel up rapid force. Another 40 seconds. Make sure you put all your effort in. Don't you half-ass it, because you're going to get a half-ass body. Let's go. Last one. Good job. Let's take a break. Heart rate should be pumping. This is great. Next, we're going to be moving on to split jump. You can go down on 1, switch to 2. 40 seconds. Let's go. Good. All right, good job. Let's take another break. Moving on, we have single leg pogo hops. Right leg first, 40 seconds. Don't give up. Let's go. Know it burns, but push through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. We're gonna switch legs. Left leg, 40 seconds. Don't give up. Got 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hit it. Left leg. I know it burns, but why we're doing it, if it didn't burn, then You wouldn't get any benefit from it. Keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a little break. We're gonna be moving on. We have side to side hops. 1, 2. These 5 seconds. We're gonna be doing 40 seconds of these. 3, 2, 1. Let's hit it. Act like there's an imaginary line that you're hopping over. Keep it up. Five seconds. 1, done. Good, take a break. All right, next, we're gonna be moving on to broad jumps. Big jumps, as far as you can out. Turn around, do it again. 5 seconds, and let's hit this. We'll start in the back here. Let's go. Soft landing. Make sure you don't injure yourself. Bend the knees. Don't hyperextend. A few more. Last one. All right. Take a little break. We're going to be moving on to tuck jumps or just jumps. 5 seconds. Go and jump as high as we can. Plant. Do it again. Let's go. If you want to make it harder, tuck your legs in on the jump. Or practice that explosive movement. Keep it up. It's not as deep as our squat jumps, but with rapid acceleration. 5 seconds. And pause. Good. Keep it up. I know it's tough. All right, next we're gonna be moving on to box falls. So take your box, come at it, and drop. Again, drop. Let's go. Trying to get a good balance in case you fall with the right leg. One leg going. Five seconds. And last one. And pause. Switching legs. All right, left leg. Right, left leg, you ready? 5 seconds. Drop down, good steady foot. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Seems easy, but does really help your balance. Just keep it up. 5 seconds. And pause. Good job. I know this is tough, but that's it for the plyometrics warm-up. Now we're going to be moving on to the calisthenic workout. So see you all in that video.